Hi, my name is Natalie Flores, and for this project, I really want to talk about a certain discourse community that I was a part of for all my years of high school. It's such a big part of my life, and I'm so excited to create a project talking about it. So my discourse community is marching band. Throughout high school, it was all I had known, really. All of my friends were in it, and I'd forgotten that not everybody knew what marching band entailed. I had a ton of different friends outside of marching band, and none of them really knew what I was talking about when I would talk about it. So there is a ton of different language that not everyone might understand in marching band. These terms are usually split into two different parts, which is more musical terms, and then terms that are dedicated to helping us better our marching. So some musical terms can include tone quality, being flat or sharp, or what a cadence is. And some field terms that help us improve our marching are box drills, 8 to 5 steps, shoulders forward, or the 5 points of alignment. And on the left is what a cadence is, and what it is it basically is a beat to help us march through parades or if we're walking to stadiums. And here is a video of that. Yeah, so that's what it is. That is what we usually march to. And on the right is what a box drill is. So it helps us look through our technique and see what we're doing wrong. It's basically moving in the form of a box, and here's what it is. So I'm going to show you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. To the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let that thing go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. To the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, we ain't going to.
So yeah, that's what a box drill is. And the biggest part of this project is who I'm going to interview. So I'm going to be interviewing one of my closest friends, Alicia Sandoval. We've been friends for over 2 years. I chose her because one, she's my best friend, and I really wanted to get her perspective on marching band because when we really talk, we don't talk too much about marching band. So I really wanted to see what she had to say about marching band. And I also chose her because she is very good at what she does. She's a very good player and a really good marcher, and I really wanted to showcase that in this profile. And her and I both know that there are a ton of marching band stereotypes out there. A lot of people don't consider it a sport. They think it's easy, that anyone could do it, and that only weirdos or nerds join. And I really don't think that's true. Marching band is one of the hardest things I've had to do. And I've been in volleyball, basketball, and marching band. And marching band really does entail a lot of multitasking and thinking about what you're doing and having a lot of people watching you. It entails the whole group being able to cooperate as one. And I really do think it is one of the hardest things I've done. But people also think that only really weirdos or nerds join, and they can think what they want, but we really are a community and we all share the same interests, so we really create a home for each other where we're comfortable. So that is probably what you all see is like us being a little weird, but that's just the way it is. I hope that you learned a couple things through this project, and I'm really, really excited to show you more.